I moved here October 1958 with my dad and my mom.
How or when did you discover that your neighbors had erected a farm next door?
I went away a week before the lockdown in COVID. I was home and I went back abroad, and I came back on February 7th, 2022, and that's when I discovered there was a farm next door with pigs, goats, chickens, roosters, piglets, and 3 large pigs. And the large pigs and the piglets are like 3 feet away from one of my bedroom window and like 12 feet away from my kitchen door.
Have you reached out to the public health department, and what was their response?
I reached out to the public health department with a phone call, and I keep calling. I couldn't get no results, so I went there personally with a neighbor, and she informed us that they will send someone out. Case number 165. She says there's no problem over there, everything is safe.
What about your political representative?
I spoke to my the political representative in the area, and he's telling me that it's not an issue for him, it's for the public health issue. I had to do it peacefully. I went to the police, I went to the public health, or the Ministry of Health, and I went down to Church Street personally, made a report, and they gave me a case number of 650 from KSAC. They took my email, they emailed me and says, I can upload. I upload pictures of the pigs, and I upload the noise, which I still have all those videos and so forth. I am basically stuck. My blood pressure went up 20% because I cannot sleep properly at night. The roosters start humming sometime 5 or 7 minutes after 11, and it goes all night. And in the mornings, it just goes on and on. It's just not livable. And I have nowhere else to go.